morning, y'all. It is your girl Cutter Resos back with another video. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Today is my favorite kind of day. Today is self-care day. It's Saturday. It is about 9:50 a.m. I'm on the way right now to a nail appointment. It is about time to get these clackers done. After I get my nails done, I might head to the gym. I don't know. I do want to go to the gym at some point today because I only went twice this week. I'm trying to go a third time. But if I don't go today, then I will absolutely go tomorrow. And I should be out of here. I should be done with my nails at like 12. So I'm running a little late. I woke up late this morning. I don't know how. I'm usually on point when it comes to nail appointment. Okay, work. If I gotta wake up for work, I'm probably gonna wake up late. But for a nail appointment, it's a reminder, self-care doesn't have to be too much. You put on a hair mask for 30 minutes, like that's self-care right there. I don't really know what nail set I'm gonna get. My nail artist is bomb. Hopefully I can record a little bit of that. So my indecisive self finally made up my mind. This was my nail inspiration right here. It's kind of like an off-white with a super white French tip. They're already looking fire.
Treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cool without you.
This is so satisfying. I love this girl. She literally makes it look so easy.
Do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I can keep on acting. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Without you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do.
So of course she's sealing it off with some cuticle oil, and this is the final result.
Come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to me, you always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak 'cause I believe you.
Y'all, I am so in love with these nails. What? I've been trying to get this design for a while. Right now, I'm on my way home. I'll be home in about like 20 minutes. It's 12:08. My pedicure appointment is at 2 p.m. Thankfully, I cleaned the house and did everything yesterday. So today is literally just like a me day. Like, walking up the stairs, and look what I find myself with.
Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to stop this feeling.
I know that's a lot of butter. Truthfully, I don't care about cholesterol. Okay, so change of plans. Nail tech just called me. She wants me to come do my pedicure a little bit earlier, and by earlier, like right now, ASAP. So I'm just gonna quickly do some makeup because if I'm gonna be out and about, I can't be looking crazy.
And the truth we done right, that's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me that. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
I desperately need my eyebrows done. Just a little some, you know, a little razzle dazzle. Alright. Yeah, let's get the show on the road. But first, we need a little bit of perfume. I'm using the Burberry Her. It smells delicious. Chef's kiss. And before y'all say anything, I did shower this morning. I'm gonna change into my flip-flops. Sun came back out. It's just beaming right now. How cute is this pedicure chair? It's pink and fuzzy. I get acrylic put on my toes. I did it one time and I never went back. Yes, my toenails were already white. Call me basic, but I am a white toe type of gal and forever will be one.
A few moments later.
Because car washes are also a part of self-care.
Whipping a Tesla, cars, hoes, etc.
What is up, y'all? So it is actually the next day. It's now Sunday night, and I'm gonna finish off my self-care routine to unwind for the night, get ready for the week. So I just got back from Walmart. I had to pick up a couple things that I was out of. So picked up a body scrub. This is the Tree Hut Vitamin C one. I also use this to exfoliate. It's just like an exfoliating washcloth. So I put this over my hand, and then I just scoop the body scrub out and exfoliate it that way. And I also got some shaving cream. Now I usually get this one. This is the one that I like die for. This comes in different scents. This is also Tree Hut. It's the moisturizing shave oil. Yeah, I'm all out of it. I'm on the last drop. They didn't have it when I went to go get this one, but it's okay. We're gonna make this work.
Cups of the rose, bitches in my old phone. I should call one and go home. I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy, but I've been drinking so much, I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you picked up, I know he's not around. I'm just saying you do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you do better. And I'll start hating only if you make it. Cups of the XO. All my people been here. I see all of my friends here. Guess she don't have the time to kick it no more. Flights in the morning. What you doing that's so important? I've been drinking so much that I'ma call you anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you picked up, I know.
Okay guys, so now that I'm out of the shower, I'm just quickly going through a couple of my favorites, not all of them, stay tuned for that. But one product that I did want to mention is this 10 Skin solution. It's really good for razor bumps and like preventing ingrown hair, so I always apply it after I shave. Like I had mentioned before, my eyebrows need a little cleaning up, so I'm just going to apply some moisturizer to them And then I'm gonna go in with this eyebrow trimmer thing. I don't know what the name of this is. If you know, let me know, leave it in the comments below. But anyway, my eyebrows don't grow too thick or anything, so I can get away with just kind of cleaning them up like this.
Going for a nigga so cheap and flex so D, sex so D. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you gotta pay and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not excited. Through the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' ship it only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey.
Now that I look and feel nice and fresh on the outside, I can't forget to put something good inside of my body as well. So I'm just gonna make some ginger tea. I'm gonna cut up whatever vitamin C that I have in my fridge, and I'm gonna boil this all together with some ginger tea packets. As we reach the end of this video, I just want to remind you how important self-care is. I know we all have crazy schedules, but make sure you set aside a little bit of time for yourself, at least once a week. We only get one body, so take care of it. This is your sign to book that nail appointment, run yourself that bubble bath, or just simply exfoliate your skin. Now, I don't know what you're doing, but it is Sunday, so I'm about to sip this tea and watch Baddies. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
We got to perform our famous TikTok dance. But